Good morning, market movers. We've got a whirlwind of breaking news sparking immediate friction. First, Waymo's ambitious nationwide autonomous vehicle deployment is hitting major political obstacles in key U.S. markets. This isn't just a bump, it's a significant roadblock for a future tech giant, creating uncertainty around sector innovation. Meanwhile, a New World screwworm outbreak has been tragically confirmed in Texas livestock, posing a grave threat to the entire Texas cattle industry. This is a direct hit to agricultural stability, impacting supply chains and commodity prices. And then, the political thunder. Janice Lewis-George is leading the D.C. mayoral race, but not without dramatic tension as former President Trump is now threatening a federal takeover of the Capitol. This ignites serious political instability and questions surrounding governance and local autonomy. What does this mean for your portfolio? The S&P 500 faces significant headwinds. Waymo's troubles put pressure on the future of mobility and tech innovation, while the Texas screwworm outbreak hits the agricultural sector directly, impacting food production and prices. Plus, the D.C. political drama adds broad market uncertainty. We're seeing a 68.5% probability of downward pressure on the S&P 500. Specifically, agricultural ETFs, particularly those tied to livestock, are looking at steep declines. Tech funds focused on autonomous driving are also feeling the squeeze. Commercial real estate in Washington, D.C. could also face volatility given the federal takeover threats. Now, the digital frontier. Bitcoin, often seen as a hedge against traditional market turmoil, is showing a 52.1% probability of upward pressure. The D.C. political uncertainty, particularly with Trump's intervention, could drive some capital into decentralized assets. However, for our ISO 20022 picks, the outlook is more cautious. XRP, Stellar, and Algorand, while offering promising solutions, could see adoption slowdowns amidst this widespread uncertainty. Our models show XRP with a 59.3% probability of downward pressure, Stellar at 57.8% downward, and Algorand facing a 61.7% probability of downward pressure. The broad economic and political instability makes new enterprise and cross-border solutions a harder sell in the immediate term. This is a dark wave pulse quant prediction, not financial advice.